Welcome to the world of business intelligence. In this video, we'll explore the fundamentals of business intelligence and how business intelligence tools help organizations make data-driven decisions. Get ready to unlock the power of data. So, what exactly is business intelligence? Business intelligence is a technology-driven process that transforms raw data into meaningful insights for strategic business decisions. It is like taking all the scattered pieces of a puzzle, which is your data, and assembling them to see the bigger picture, which are your insights. Business intelligence helps businesses understand their past and present performance and predict future trends. Business intelligence is composed of many things, but the main components are data warehousing and analytics and reporting. Data warehousing is the centralized repository for storing and organizing data from multiple sources. Think of it like a giant digital filing cabinet. Analytics and reporting are the tools for analyzing data patterns and generating actionable reports. These tools help businesses make sense of the data stored in the warehouse. Now, let's take a look at the business intelligence process flow. First, we have data collection, where you gather raw data from various sources. Next comes data processing, where you clean, transform, and organize the data. Finally, in the analysis phase, insights and actionable reports are generated. This process helps organizations turn raw data into strategic insights. There are many business intelligence tools available in the market. Some popular enterprise solutions are Microsoft Power Business Intelligence, Tableau, ClickView, and IBM Cognos. For cloud-based tools, we have Google Analytics, Amazon QuickSight, Looker, and C-Sense. These tools help businesses analyze their data and make informed decisions. Implementing business intelligence brings several benefits. These include a faster decision-making process, improved operational efficiency, cost reduction and revenue growth, and better customer insights. By leveraging the power of data, organizations can achieve significant improvements in various aspects of their business. Despite the benefits, implementing business intelligence is not without challenges. Two main challenges are data quality issues, which involves inconsistent, incomplete, or inaccurate data from multiple sources, and user adoption, where resistance to change and lack of training can hinder successful implementation. Addressing these challenges is crucial for successful implementation. Business intelligence has many real-world use cases. These include sales analytics, where we track performance and identify trends, marketing return on investment to measure campaign effectiveness, financial reporting, which automates budget and forecast analysis, and operations management, where we monitor efficiency and resource utilization. These use cases demonstrate the versatility and impact of business intelligence across various functions. Ready to get started with business intelligence? Here are the 3 steps. Step 1. Define goals by identifying what business questions you need to answer. Step 2. Assess data by evaluating current data sources and quality. Step 3. Choose tools by selecting an appropriate business intelligence platform for your needs. Following these steps will set you on the right path to harnessing the power of business intelligence. In conclusion, business intelligence empowers organizations to make informed decisions through data-driven insights. Start small, focus on key business questions, and scale your business intelligence implementation gradually for maximum impact. With the right approach, business intelligence can transform your business and drive success. If you like this video, hit that like button and don't forget to subscribe. Visit CodeLucky.com for more such useful content.